name is Aishwarya and this is my channel The Beauty Bliss. In this channel I usually create videos related to makeup, beauty and skincare tips. So let's talk about today's video. So today's video is related to Raksha Bandhan makeup tutorial and it is really easy and simple and beginner friendly makeup look, and I have used minimum product to create this look. If you want to know how to get this look, make sure you watch the whole video till end, and also if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button and comment down below that what you think about this look, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon beside that subscribe button so you can get the notification of my every new video. So without wasting your time, let's get started with the video. So first thing, I'm going to moisturize my face. For that I'm going to use this non-sticky moisturizer from Jovi, and I'm going to apply it all over my face and neck area. So next thing, I'm going to use this primer from Blue Heaven, and I'm going to apply it on face area and neck area so that it will protect my skin from any damage that can cause by makeup. After applying primer, I'm going to apply foundation on my face, and for that I'm going to use this Nykaa Skin Genius foundation in shade True Tan, and I'm just really loving this foundation as this gives me a medium finish which is good for a natural makeup look. I'm applying it on my face area and all over my neck area and then blending with help of a beauty blender. Now I'm going to conceal my under eyes area with the help of this Wet n Wild concealer in shade Medium Deep Tan. Also, I'm applying it over my eyelids for my eyeshadow base. Again, I'm blending it with help of a beauty blender. So now for my eyebrows, I'm going to use this eyebrow pencil from Miniso. It's a 2-in-1 eyebrow pencil in which one side you have a pencil and the other side you have a powder to fill in the eyebrows to look more natural and fuller. So the first I used the pencil part, now I'm using this powder side part and I'm dabbing it on my eyebrows to fill my eyebrows with it. So again, I'm using the same Wet n Wild concealer to give my eyebrows more definition. If you think your eyebrows are perfect, you can totally skip this step. Now to set my makeup, I'm using this Faces Canada Wetlace Stay Matte Compact in shade 03 Beige and applying it all over my face and neck area. For my eyeshadow, I'm going to select this 2 shade and I'm going to mix it together, and it's from Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette, and applying it all over my crease area, just normally blending it well with my blending brush on my crease area. And now I'm selecting this shimmer shade from the same palette and applying it all over my eyelids to add some shimmer to my eyes. And again, I'm selecting the same shade which I have applied on my crease area, and now I'm applying it on my lower lash line. And I'm really loving that how this eye makeup look turned out. For my liner, I'm going to use this Lakme Insta liner, and I'm going to create a thick wing eyeliner look. Now I'm using this kajal from Nykaa, Rock the Line Kajal, and applying it on my lower waterline. For my blush, I'm going to use this lipstick from Nykaa. It's Molten Matte lipstick in shade Blair 03, and you can totally replace it with an eyeshadow or any other lipstick. For highlighter, I'm going to use the same shimmer shade from Wet n Wild palette, and I'm going to apply it on my high points of my face and then dab it with my help of fingers so that it will just give a natural like finish. For my mascara, I'm using this mascara from Maybelline, the Hypercurl Volume Express Waterproof Mascara, and applying it on my both lashes. For my lipstick, I'm going to use this Nothing Else Matter Long Wear Lipstick in shade Brownie Point from Sugar Cosmetics. To complete this whole look, I'm applying a bindi, and yeah, I'm struggling applying it. And yeah, it's done finally. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed this video, and if you do like, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your family and friends, and also hit the bell icon to get notification of my every new video. So see you next time in another video. Till then, bye.